How to get $50 working coupon code for Instacart. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Instacart coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, coupon follow. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Instacart. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $30 off, 50% off, $70 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just click on the offer. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Instacart. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you are in the website, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as on this website you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Instacart. The process is exact same. Also, what you can do is head back. You can also check out this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Instacart. So this way you can easily get up to $50 working coupon code for Instacart. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.